In this question, we are asked to simplify tan inverse of root of 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x. So this is a very straightforward expression. 1 minus cos x is a 2 sin square x by 2. 1 plus cos x is 2 cos square x by 2. So if you divide one with the other, 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x is 2 sin square x by 2 by 2 cos square x by 2. It is tan square of x by 2. So root of 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x is root of this is equal to root of tan square x by 2, which is equal to mod of tan x by 2. Mod of tan x by 2. And x is in between 0 to pi. So x by 2 is in between 0 and pi by 2. So tan x by 2 is positive. So mod tan x by 2 becomes tan x by 2. So what does this expression become? Tan inverse of tan x by 2. X by 2 is an acute angle which lies in the range of tan inverse. Hence tan inverse and tan gets cancelled each other. The answer is x by 2.